Hi guys, the Benidorm Enthusiast here. Welcome to June. Wow, months really do just keep creeping up on me out of nowhere. Almost halfway through the year already. Unbelievable. Anyway, June is another month packed full of events and activities here in Benidorm. So let's go through and have a look what's on the agenda. Terra Mythica opens fully in June. That's the big theme park with roller coasters, log flumes and all that sort of stuff. And we've got a special price for you for June, even cheaper than booking direct. So you can get your tickets for just under £30 if you follow the link in the video description below. Terra Mythica is the last remaining big attraction to open up fully for the season here. Both water parks, the zoo, Mondamar Animal Park are all open already, and we'll post links for tickets for those also for you below. On the 8th of June, it's the first big music event of the month. Homenaje de la Ruta is a one-day music festival which celebrates music from the 90s and the noughties. Artists like New Music and Double Vision will perform in the outdoor auditorium in the park, along with DJs like Vicente Ferrer and Victor Perez. It will be a great day and night, and I'm sure, especially if you're from that era. Tickets for the 90s event are €22 and you can book from the link in the video description below. A sports event comes to Benidorm on the 8th of June also, the European Soft Darts Championship. This will be held at the Sports Palace and runs through until the 14th of June. So if you like your darts, have a look at that event. You can find more info below. On Sunday, the 9th of June, it's the Benidorm Palace's special show. This month, it's the Rolling Stones story. So this is a musical show which brings together the history and the music of this great rock and roll band. Have we got any Rolling Stones fans watching? I'm sure there are. I've always thought it would be a good idea for a tribute show here in Benidorm. I don't think anybody's attempted it yet. Anyway, if you are a fan and you would like to watch the Rolling Stones story at the Palace, check the links below. The 14th of June, and we're on to a food event now, the Tapas and Pinchos contest, which runs through until the 23rd of June, so just over a week. Several different restaurants, usually between 15 and 20, will take part in this event. They will each prepare a tapa or a pincho to represent their restaurant. The public are invited to get round as many of the restaurants as possible over the week and try as many of the different nominated tapas as they can. Then they vote for a winner online. Now, they haven't quite released the list of restaurants yet, but there will be a set price for each tapa in the competition, so you'll know what you're spending before you start. Keep an eye on our other social media pages. As soon as we get the lists confirmed, we'll post across our other socials for you. We might even do a video on this for you. What do you think? Would you like to see the tapas contest on it? Let us know in the comments. On Sunday the 16th of June, there's a huge motorbike meeting here in Benidorm, organised by the bike club Los Bujos. The Motor Almuerzo Motor Lunch takes place from 9 AM to 3 PM at the Salto de Agua complex. There'll be a barbecue, live music, Ducati stunt show and an acrobatic drift show, as well as a ride around the tourist route with a couple of stops on the way at places like Koo and Penelope Beach, where you can get discounted non-alcoholic drinks if you show your bike meeting ticket. Tickets are just €8 for all that, and I think it's going to be amazing. Let us know in the comments if you're going to be stopping and having a nosy at that. Another super exciting event on Sunday the 16th, but this one is in the evening. Status Quo concert. Not a tribute show, the actual real Status Quo right here in Benidorm. How cool is that? The gig will be at the Auditorio Julio Iglesias in the park behind the town hall. It's only a small venue really for a big artist like this performing, I think, but I'm sure it will get filled and there'll be a fantastic atmosphere. The show starts at 10:30 PM and goes on till, well, probably for however long they can last, I suppose. They're no spring chickens, are they? But they have had some fantastic music out over the years, so that's going to be a brilliant show. On the evening of the 21st of June, a Friday night, 9 PM, there's another concert in the park. This one is for charity, and it's at the smaller of the two auditoriums, so at the Oscar Espla, which is just behind the town hall. Voces por Benin. This is a show which brings 25 performers on stage, and through their music, dance and stories, the show increases awareness of African culture, the human rights of children and the need to defend those rights. It's a €10 entry donation, and the money raised goes to the Juntos por la Vida Foundation. The 24th of June, it's a fiesta not to be missed, a very important fiesta in the Alicante province and one of my favourites all year too. The bonfires of San Juan. Now this is to celebrate the birth of St John the Baptist and the official start of summer. There are beach parties during the night all over the region. Now back in the day, bonfires were lit on the beaches. The fire represents purification and bad memories were burned to make way for a fresh start in summer. And these days there are very few beaches where it is allowed to light a bonfire on the actual beach due to health and safety and the risk of fire spreading, considering the drought that we're currently experiencing in Spain, how dry everything is. It would be very dangerous to have bonfires on the beaches. But the parties, well, the parties still continue. People bring food, people bring drinks, they bring their chairs, they bring the deck chairs, sunbeds, everything down to the beaches and set up for a full night party. The biggest San Juan party around here is in La Cala Finistra. We did a video on that a couple of years ago. It really has to be seen to be believed. It is an amazing night. I'll post the video link in the video description. You can have a look at that. They've got a stage set up on the beach. People just party all night long. I'm not forgetting the ritual of everyone running into the sea at midnight to jump the waves to attract good luck. To continue the fire tradition safely, there are controlled bonfires set up in different areas which you can visit and watch burn. A little bit similar to what we saw during the Fires Fiesta, which we showed you on a video back in March. Have a little look at that video too if you missed it. And as with every fiesta in Benidorm, every fiesta in Spain, you can expect loads of fireworks, mascletas and celebrations. On the 27th of June, it's an art exhibition beginning at the Town Hall Square. Completely free to visit and part of the Open Air Museum initiative in Benidorm. This exhibition will bring 52 spectacular National Geographic images to our streets, showcasing the areas of the planet which have the greatest biodiversity, aiming to give us a space for reflection on the effects of human activity. Come and have a look at the Plaza SES Reyes de España. The exhibition will run until around the middle of July. Of course, we couldn't do this video without mentioning the football. It's the Euros and it's going to be absolutely massive this year in Benidorm. Benidorm, one of the best places in Europe to come and watch any major sporting event, with literally hundreds of big screens scattered all around the resort. And with 2 teams from the UK involved this year, along with Spain, football fever is definitely going to be hitting Benidorm big time. Not forgetting we get a lot of French here, Italians, Portuguese, Dutch, Belgians. It is going to be an epic football tournament. The Euro starts on June 14th with an absolute corker of an opening match, Germany versus Scotland. Come on Scotland! The tournament runs for around a month and we'll be doing a video very soon showing you some of the best options for watching the football in different parts of Benidorm. So if you're a footy fan coming out to Benidorm to watch the Euros, watch out for that video. Thanks for watching guys. I hope you found this video informative and I hope it's given you a few things to look forward to on your visit if you visit in this month. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, click that beer mug in the corner and also check us out on Facebook, Instagram, X and TikTok at the Benidorm Enthusiast. Stay positive and stay safe.